Balancing cost and efficacy when choosing Onslaught FastCap for routine maintenance and cleanout treatments requires a clear, treatment-specific mixing and scheduling plan. For routine services, start with the manufacturer-recommended maintenance mix rate and apply on a regular interval determined by pest pressure, typically every 4 to 6 weeks for moderate activity, to maintain residual control without wasting product. For severe infestations, increase the mix concentration for perimeter and harboring sites and focus treatments on cracks, crevices, and baseboards where scorpions and spiders seek shelter, while reducing non-essential broadcast applications to save product. Measure product by volume or weight each time using marked measuring tools, and keep a simple log that records mix ratios, treated area, and date, so you can track efficacy and reduce overdosing. When calculating cost per treatment, include water carrier, labor time, and reservice probability to compare maintenance versus cleanout economics accurately. Buy larger container sizes only if you can move inventory within the product shelf life, and store containers in a cool, dry place to avoid degradation that would force higher application rates. Rotate spot treatment techniques such as targeted residuals and insect growth regulator placement where allowed to reduce reliance on single chemistry and extend intervals between full perimeter treatments. Common mistakes include using the same high concentration mix for routine visits, which wastes product and increases client cost, so switch to the lower maintenance rate for regular service and reserve stronger mixes for documented heavy infestations. Another error is failing to measure and log applications, which makes it impossible to evaluate cost effectiveness, so adopt a one-page tracking sheet and review it monthly to adjust rates and intervals. A third problem is purchasing small containers frequently without comparing bulk pricing, which inflates per treatment cost. So compare supplier quotes and online pricing and plan purchases to take advantage of tiered discounts while keeping an eye on shelf life. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics and pest control recommendations, and we help homeowners find local contractors and contractors find work through our listings. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share practical experience on treatment rates, product sourcing, and scheduling so we can all learn and make better cost and efficacy decisions.